Welcome to the Health Hub. We are going to talk about the best way to prepare your eggs for maximum antioxidant nutrition, and I'm mainly talking about the carotenoids in the eggs, lutein and zeaxanthin. Both of these are very powerful compounds in certain foods that have very unique health benefits. They are in vegetables, egg yolks, salmon and avocado. There are quite a few others. These two specific compounds accumulate mostly in the eye. They also go into the liver and certain parts of your brain. But most of it goes into the eye part of the retina, which is the extension of the brain. It's all neurological tissue in the back part. The center part is called the macula, and also in the lens of the eye. So both of these compounds can help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration as well as cataracts. Now, I would also recommend avoiding things that cause inflammation, specifically vegetable oils, soy, corn oil, canola and cottonseed oil. These are very inflammatory, and they create a lot of free radical damage, creating destruction to your tissue. So the combination of avoiding the omega-6 fatty acids and consuming foods high in these two compounds can help decrease the risk of damage to your macula as well as your lens. If there's degeneration in the macula, you're going to lose vision in the central part as well as things are going to be less defined. These two compounds also prevent blue light by filtering it out. They absorb blue light. What is blue light? Blue light is part of the visible light spectrum, what the human eye can see. Blue light usually comes from the sun but also from digital screens and LED lights. Additionally, they possess anti-inflammatory properties and are very powerful antioxidants. So now that you understand the power of these two chemicals in eggs, how do you maximize nutrition? How do you prepare your eggs? Well, they're very sensitive to heat. So the less you heat them, the more nutrition you're going to have. When you overcook the egg yolk, it oxidizes the cholesterol. It forms a compound called oxysterols, potentially contributing to artery clogging, so we want to avoid that. Now, should you consume raw eggs? The problem with that is when you consume raw egg whites, it can deplete other nutrients like biotin, which is very important in your hair and your nails. So the best way to cook eggs is to poach them, or fry them and use butter or coconut oil. Make sure yolks are runny. If you're going to scramble the egg, just try not to overcook it too much. If you're going to boil egg, don't overcook it. The egg yolk is somewhat protected because it's in the center, so it never really over-oxidizes. Always choose pasture-raised organic eggs. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more such inspired content.